To pair your phone on the new Sierra 1500s and 2500s, what you do is you go to your home screen on your car, go to Settings, Phones, Add a Phone, and then on your phone, you go to Settings, Bluetooth, scroll all the way down, and it'll register that there is a new device waiting to be paired. You'll click My GMC, and it'll prompt you on the screen and the phone. Both of those are correct. Click Pair on both, and then you'll allow your favorites and contacts to sync. To easily access your phone from the screen, what you do is you hit this yellow button right here. It'll bring you up to either your favorites or your keypad. You can look at your recent calls, your contacts, and then if you need to switch phones that are connected, you can go easily to this thing right here on the right. And then if you have favorites saved in here, those will be added on this main screen.